Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, Salim wants to purchase tickets from a vendor to watch a tennis match. The vendor charges a one-time service fee for processing the purchase of the tickets. We have the equation T is equal to 15N plus 12, where T is the total amount in dollars that he pays for N tickets. And we're asked, what does 12 represent in this equation? So the thing you have to notice is, well, you could say, okay, let me compare this to y equals mx plus b and look at the parallels with t and n and x and y. That's fine. But if you just say, okay, what do we do when n is 0? T is equal to 15, n is 0, so times 0, plus 12. 15 times 0 is 0, so 0 plus 12 is 12. So when n equals 0, t equals 12. What does that mean within the context of this problem? When the number of tickets is 0, since n is the number of tickets, when he has 0 tickets, the total amount, t, is equal to 12. The price is $12. So what does this mean? Well, if he's bought 0 tickets and he's still being charged, that means that this is the cost of the service fee they have to get before you even buy a single ticket. So it costs $12 originally, and then after that it costs a certain amount of money for each ticket. But this $12 in this equation is just representing the service fee, which is going to give you B as your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.